What's up guys, I hope you all are doing well. It may be still 2022. But the early OnePlus 11 Pro prototype of a phone scheduled for 2023 release are already making cameos at the OnePlus design desks, and hence it's time for Steve Hammerstoffer of OnLeaks fame to extract the schematics upon which these are based. It seems that the OnePlus 11 Pro's rotating camera rumors won't be materializing. Yet there will be a brand new round camera island design reminiscing what the sister company Vivo does with its latest X80 series of phones. The circular plateau seems to feature not one or two, but three camera lenses in total, and a flash for symmetry. We hope that OnePlus would finally slap a high-end zoom camera set on the 11 Pro. Not that the OnePlus 10 Pro doesn't offer a 3x telephoto zoom range, but the Vivo X80 Pro camera set makes us hopeful for the OnePlus 11 Pro camera specs. We certainly aren't expecting a gimbal-style stabilization, as this is Vivo's trademark. But if OnePlus expects its flagship phones to remain competitive in 2023, it better think about including a periscope zoom kit, as even the iPhone 15 Pro Max would feature one at long last for Apple. Yes, we are talking about the alert slider, which, no matter its resemblance with Apple's mute switch functionality, was much appreciated by OnePlus fans for the convenience it offers and made OnePlus handsets fairly unique among their Android brethren. As for the actual processing OnePlus 11 Pro specs under the hood, expect no less than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with its state-of-the-art Qualcomm X75G modem, coupled with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage. A huge 5000 mAh battery is becoming the norm for OnePlus flagships, as is the record fast charging that in the OnePlus 10T reaches up to 120W and 17 minutes to full charge from a depleted battery. Sounds like a winner at the expected $899 OnePlus 11 Pro price, but the release date won't be before January if its predecessor is any indication. Thanks for watching till end, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel.